Let's talk about how EMI manifests itself. There's basically three major areas. First is spikes and surges. That type of interference is usually associated with power fluctuations, or in a transit environment, the transfer of even like a power switch that would create a large spike on the line. The other two areas that it manifests itself is broadband interference and narrowband interference. Let's take a look at broadband interference first. As you can see on this chart here, which shows the level of the interference on the y-axis and frequency on the x-axis, broadband interference is just as the name indicates. It's very broad, it's non-tunable. That type of interference is usually associated with things like motor noise or traction noise from the third rail. Narrowband interference is just the opposite, and again, as its name indicates, is very, very sharply tunable in frequency, and that's associated with harmonic noise from an RF device. If you have an RF transmitter that, let's say, is operating at 150 megahertz, it has harmonic and spurious emissions associated with it. You're clearly going to see things at 300 megahertz, 450 megahertz, and that type of interference can be devastating to many types of equipment. So we have, again, three particular types of manifestation of EMI: spikes and surges, broadband interference, and narrowband interference.